furniture. I hope she likes it. I mean, you know, I think she will. The worst possible scenario would be holler, Daniel, don't like it, and, you know, then what? It's very difficult to undo everything that we've done and then rethink it, so I'm just hoping that they will.
We didn't get indicted for this. Very Michael did.
This is. We run these fights every weekend. Got $1,000 on the cat. He hasn't lost yet. Look at how he's working her. Dakota, Dakota, what did you do to Tuna? What did you do? What'd you do to that cat? Yeah, and then what? And then what'd you do after that? Yeah. All right, we'll see what he says. Were you beating up the dog again? Hey, Tuna, were you beating up the dog again? Don't lie to me. I caught you on tape. I caught you on tape beating up the dog again. Tough guy. Yeah, you're tough. Yeah, real tough. Yeah, what happened? You beat her up again, you ran away.